3 days and measured over 64,000 kilometers in length, excluding Earth's orbits in space. A total of 14,000 torch carriers took part in the relay. The Olympic flame was taken to the Caucasus' tallest peak, Mount Elbrus, lowered to the bottom of Lake Baikal and visited in the North Pole and the International Space Station. The Olympic torch reached the North Pole for first time via a nuclear-powered icebreaker. The torch was also spaced for the first time in space, so it's not lit for the duration of the flight for safety reason of flight Soyuz TMA-11F to the International Space Station. The spacecraft itself was adorned with Olympic themed livery, including the Games emblem. Russian cosmonauts Oleg Kotov and Sergei Ryazansky waved the torch on a spacewalk outside ISS. The torch returned to Earth 5 days later on board Soyuz TMA-09M. The torch also reached the Europe's highest mountain, Mount Elbrus, and even